Hello guys, I welcome you all in open source study. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install open source code using CMake. And this is the process which I'm going to follow in this video. So the first thing is downloading the source code and CMake. Here in this video, I'm going to build open scene graph libraries. And you can build any other open source code. The process to build is same for every source code. So after downloading the CMake and source code, we need to browse the build and source code directory. And then we have to specify the generator for the project. I'm going to use Microsoft Visual Studio 2010 as a generator in this video. Then we have to configure it, and then if you want to link other libraries to this project, you can link them by browsing their directory, and then we will generate the project. Then we have to open the project in Visual Studio, which will be in build directory, and then we have to build all build first and then build install. So this is the whole process. So let's see it practically. The first step is downloading the source code and CMake. So here I am downloading the OSG 3.2.0, and the reason why I am downloading this version is because this version is compatible with Visual Studio 2010. And why I selected OSG source code is because I'm going to make one video on how to make Google Earth, and we will need these libraries for making Google Earth. So stay tuned for that video. So let's download CMake. So after downloading it, extract it. So these are the extracted GIF folders, and now open CMake GUI. So here browse for the source code and build directory. So after browsing it, then hit configure. Click yes to create build folder, and then specify the generator. You can specify other generator if you want, but I never tried with others. So if it works with other, just let me know in the comments. And after selecting the generator, then hit finish. It will take some time in configuring. So you can see configuration is done. So don't worry about this red box. Here you can link other libraries if you want. I will just leave them as it is. Here give the path for install directory where libraries will get installed. Sometimes it will show error if you leave it as it is, because sometimes your system will not give permission to install libraries in program files. So after giving the install directory, then hit generate. Wait till it is done. Wait till it is done. Now generating is done. So now go to build directory and open the OpenSceneGraph.sln file in Visual Studio. So after opening the file, here go to all build and right click on it, and then click on build. Now building is start. It will take a lot of time, around 1-2 hours, so don't worry about it. So now you can see build succeeded. Then go to install and right click on it and click on build. Now libraries are installing in install directories. So wait till it is done. So here you can see it is succeeded. So now go to install directory and see whether they are installed or not. So here we can see 3 folders are there. So let's open them. So let's open bin folder first. So these are the DLL files, and these are the plugins which you will need to open the different format files. So let's open include folder. It contains all the header files. In lib folder, it contains libraries. So you can see everything is good and done. So that's it for this video. If you want to know about what is OSG and why do we need it, just let me know in the comment section. I will make a video on that in future, and don't forget to subscribe.